In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons from Flaticon to your Framer project. This simple process will enhance the visual appeal of your design projects and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and explore each step, ensuring that it's both easy to follow and rewarding to implement. First things first, you'll need to open Flaticon. This platform is a treasure trove of icons, offering a vast array of choices to suit any design need. Once you've accessed the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and search options. It's important to use keywords relevant to your project to find the perfect icons quickly and efficiently. As you browse, you'll notice a wide variety of shapes, styles, and themes, so allow yourself some time to explore and get inspired. After you've spent some time scrolling through the options, it's time to choose the icons you want. This step is crucial, as the right icon can significantly elevate the aesthetic and user experience of your project. Consider the theme, color scheme, and style of your project to ensure cohesiveness. Bear in mind that you might want multiple icons, so don't rush this part of the process. Once you've decided on the icons, it's time to take action. Simply click on the icon you desire and then select the Copy PNG option. This function is straightforward and should feel intuitive, allowing you to quickly move your icon from Flaticon to your clipboard with just a couple of clicks. Now, with your chosen icon copied, it's time to head over to your Framer project. Framer is an excellent tool for creating interactive, high-fidelity designs, and adding icons will only enhance your work. Open up your project and identify the frame where you'd like to place your new icon. With your Framer project open and ready, all you need to do is paste the icon onto your frame. This is as simple as using the paste function or using the keyboard shortcut for pasting, which saves time and keeps your workflow moving smoothly. Once pasted, you'll see your selected icon appear in your project, ready to be positioned, resized, and integrated as needed. And just like that, you've successfully added an icon from Flaticon into your Framer project. This process is not only quick, but offers enormous creative potential. By enhancing your design with thoughtfully selected icons, you add a layer of professionalism and style that can really set your project apart. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and try out different icons to see which ones work best for your unique projects. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things you create using these techniques.